Since the beginning, ELES solutions have always been able to perfectly meet the client's product's roadmap, aiming to embed reliability in each phase of the integrated circuits development and manufacturing processes. ELES's RETE, Reliability Embedded Test Engineering offer, consists of an innovative testing platform, fixtures, and services. The reliability test is in accordance with RETE's approach to help clients with continuous improvement of the IC design and manufacturing process. ELES's new system, ART530, represents the ideal solution to support the 7 steps of the RETE model through an innovative and effective method. Step 1. Embedding of reliability. ELES supports its clients with consultancy services to maximize testability of the integrated circuits and to define the best test for reliability strategy, leveraging the dedicated test resources for the device under test and an adaptive stress test matrix. ART530 is able to intercept all failures, including the intermittent ones, and is the ideal test platform to support the customer toward zero defects. ART530 guarantees results that can be correlated to automatic test equipment. Step 2. Reliability Golden Flow. Thanks to a unique test environment, ELES allows for the easy collection of data at design validation, qualification, and production phases. This massive and reliable data connected to big data analytics changes the approach from pass-fail to learn from failures, which enables faster design and production processes improvement. Step 3. The ELES Integrated Development Environment. The reliability of the device is born in the design phase. The ELES IDE, Integrated Development Environment, supports designers and test engineers to produce outstanding test patterns and test programs. Test patterns can be easily imported from IC design flow. Test program can be simulated without using the fixture and device to have a more robust test application and shorter time to market. Test flow is easily set up and debugged based on standard C++ test libraries. Test coverage is evaluated. ELES Real-Time Interpreter makes dramatically easy the analysis of collected data. ELES also offers to clients an early device robustness evaluation service for an early robustness evaluation at the design stage. Step 4. RETE Test Environment. ELES's reliability test environment assures ease of use, perfect control of the test, and connection to the surrounding environment. A user-friendly interface. Perfect integration with ELES IDE. Fast temperature cycling and multi-temperature test for optimized thermal efficiency. A real-time test data interpreter to track the key reliability parameters. A real-time system health status and monitoring. Integration within Reliability Cell and Reliability Results database. Integration with MES by SexGem. Step 5. Universal Test Platform. ART530 is a universal testing platform configurable through test libraries, a unique solution for different types of devices for better business sustainability. Multi-core architecture for higher test efficiency, no processing overhead, single power supply per DUT, 240 power supplies per board. ART530 provides different configurations according to IC device power consumption needs. ART530 Basic, up to 10 watts. ART530 High Power, with local temperature control, up to 50 watts. ART530 Liquid Cooling, up to 1 kilowatts. ART530 can be integrated in the ELES full automated test cell. Step 6. The fixture. The best testers and an excellent device testability cannot provide reliable tests if the fixture doesn't guarantee the needed performance and robustness. ART530 fixtures introduces innovative key features: low insertion force interface technology, no fuses used on burn-in boards to achieve the yield optimization, no retest is needed, high parallelism thanks to ultra-high density boards, 1300 4 pins, improved layout for better signal integrity and performances, finger protection, no exposed connectors prevents fixture damage during handling. ELES's 30 years of experience guarantees the robustness and the performance of ELES's fixtures. Step 7. Reliability performance measurement. Only the failures detected combining stress and test allow the precise measurement of reliability before the product goes into the field. ART530 with dedicated hardware and software algorithms IPs is the ideal platform to augment stress and test capability. HV stress, DFT test, application level test, defect-oriented tests. ART530 allows fast burn-in time reduction up to elimination. Large learn from fail database for specific failure modes with automatic burn-in curve. Easy failure interpretation with ELES's real-time software. Data not affected by false failures. With ART530, ELES is able to reduce yield losses by a significant factor. Extended reliability test data connected to big data analytics represent a great support to clients to move toward zero defects. Conclusion: the new challenge of semiconductor manufacturers to improve the device's reliability coming from new markets requirements is finally available with RETE and ART530, your fast track to zero defects.